Buhay. My name is Arvin Angelo B. Bactol from BSHM Section 2. So we will discussing the 12 types of tourism. Number 1. Mass tourism refers to the large-scale amount of people to a popular tourist destination, often characterized by high number of visitors traveling to the same location during peak season. This type of tourism usually involve large-scale and driven by the desire to visit well-known attractions, resorts, or cities. For example, a Sinulog Festival in Cebu City, there are a large amount of people to witness the occasion. Number 2. Adventure tourism is a type of travel that involves exploring new exciting activities that include physical challenges or risk-taking. It appeals to travelers seeking thrill, excitement, and a sense of adventure, often in natural, rugged environment. For example, last year I went on an adventure tourism trip to Davao del Sur, where I hiked to Mount Apo and experience the thrill of mountaineering. Number 3. Ecotourism. Exploring a natural environment while minimizing environmental impact. It aims to foster environmental awareness or support local communities. For example, participating in habitat restoration. Number 4. Sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism is a form of tourism that carefully balances the needs of visitors, the tourism industry, the environment, and host communities to ensure long-term economic, social, and environmental benefits. It aims to minimize negative impacts while maximizing positive outcomes for all stakeholders involved. For example, eco-lodge, green hotels, wildlife conservation tours, and cultural heritage tours. Number 5. Recreational tourism. Recreational tourism is a type of travel focuses on leisure, relaxation, and entertainment. It involves visiting destination or engaging in activities that provide enjoyment in physical or mental refreshment. For example, cultural festival like Kamulan in Kidnon. Number 6. Health and medical tourism. Health and medical tourism is a traveling to another country to get healthcare such as treatment, surgeries, or wellness program. For example, a person who have a cancer but their country don't have any machine or an expert doctors or loss of facilities, so that he or she traveled into another country for her cancer treatment. Number 7. Conversion tourism. It's about turning website visitors or potential travelers into paying customers. It focuses on encouraging people to book flights, hotels, or vacation packages and tours. Number 8. Village tourism, also known as a rural countryside tourism, is form of travel that focuses on visiting and experiencing life in rural village. For example, joining workshop to learn traditional craft or cooking. Number 9. Ethnic tourism is a type of tourist tourism where travelers seeks to experience and learn about the distinctive culture, tradition, and lifestyle of a specific ethnic or indigenous communities. For example, ethnic tourism is a visiting the Efuga village in Cordillera. Tourists can experience local traditions, dance, and stay with families, helping to preserve their culture and support the community. Number 10. Cultural tourism is a type of travel motivated by the desire to learn, discover and experience the cultural attraction and product of the destination. Example, in the Philippines, visiting vegan Spanish-style house, exploring Ifugao rice terraces, joining festival like Ati-Atihan are the example of cultural tourism. 11. Historical tourism. Historical tourism is a travel focusing on visiting historical place. It involves exploring and landmarks, monument, or museum. For example, a Rizal Park where Rizal buried above the bansang bayani of the Philippines. Number 12. Domestic tourism is a travel within a person on their own country for leisure, business, or leisure activity. It involves residents exploring different parts of their own country instead traveling abroad. For example, traveling from Bukidnon to visit beaches in Palawan. It helps boost local economies and promote traditional pride. And that's all, the 12 types of tourism. Thank you. Mabuhay.